We were quite fortunate to build a bungalow in the semi-urban context of Kerala overlooking the paddy fields. The design was hence conceptualized on capturing and framing this view. Myself, Nihad Ovimal, partner architect at Addix Architecture, Calicut.
And I am architect Mohammed Nissim.
We started our practice in the year 2014 with architect P.K. Aslam and Mahiraj. Addix was formed with a vision of spreading innovative and sustainable architecture among the people. We worked on a diverse range of projects including healthcare, education, housing, and infrastructure development. The brief was very simple. The client needs a luxurious but simple contemporary house, reflecting their traditional background and upbringings. The house needed to be well ventilated with ample daylight throughout the day. The main intention was an escape from the hustle and bustle of their routine life. To establish visual connectivity, nature has been brought inside the house by carving out green open spaces. The design responds primarily to the context by retaining the existing landscape and its essence within. The split level renders better connectivity within the house, allowing the private space to overlook the central courtyard. The skylight, the slits on the facade, and the openings are meticulously placed to bring in required amount of light and unrestricted movement of air throughout the day. The tree court is kept as a focus and functions as a transition from a public to a private one. The area have been woven together to create a seamless flow of spaces.
When you enter the house, you can see that uninterrupted line of vision with green pockets in between. The material palette is kept very minimal. Marble flooring captures reflections and has been decorated with sober furnishings and blinds that allow the passage of light into the space. Wooden flooring and Travertino details bring in richness, while the white walls tying it all together. Framing the vista ahead the entrance gateway through mounts were deliberately done to achieve guest parking in between. This area could occasionally turn into a family gathering space, which the client had expressed during his initial requirements. The entry courts are used during festivals and family gatherings. The main idea was to merge the built within the landscape. As the building ages and the trees grows, the built and the unbuilt will become more and more seamless.
The bridge over the dining space also enjoys the seamless view to the neighborhood.
The line of vision infinitely continues beyond the spaces through a slit glass that subtly leads the eye towards the raised neighborhood and the sky.
The central court is bound by vertical pivoting wooden louvered doors. This filter-like space allows breezes to freely flow through to the living space and frames the tropical Kananga tree as a sculpture. A powerful presence of nature is sensed throughout the house by the flowers.
The Kilivadil and its seating delightfully transform the function of the bedroom. While closed, it maintains the privacy of the space and when opened, facilitates a seamless visual connection between different spaces. Sitting at its opening of the bedroom, one can look into the living spaces. As one walks down the stairs, the house reframes the views by breaking them into precious freeze frames with visual interactions and connectivity.
The back of home overlooking the paddy field is a long veranda which allows for a comfortable outlook into the pleasant scenery. The family living and dining opens to the paddy field, which is rather rejuvenating. Interpretation of traditional Kerala style with sloping roof laid with Mangalore pattern tiles and plastered walls. This gives rendering of feeling of timelessness leading to a bygone era.